So guys, every now and then I like to just browse the internet and research things that I'm interested in, just to know more about them and stuff like that. So today I happen to be reading up about alcohol. So I come across this article, 80 South African women top the list of heavy drinking females in Africa. I could have told you that for free. But now the problem is that the article I doesn't give all the facts as to why. Why do we drink this much? What forces us to drink this much? I think they've omitted, they've left out, they've withheld information as to why. Understand? So perhaps it's obvious as to why it's selling so much. South African women are the only demographic that is exposed every day on a daily basis, constantly, to Xhosa Men. Xhosa Men. Yes, I listen to them Xhosa. They're telling them Xhosa Zamela nje starting to get balek we top you're telling me. Yes, they listen. Yes, stress. Into them because and where else do you have to turn but in Yembezika Victoria? What else is a solace? Sana in the Domkosa. You have cheated like BTs up started bonus darling now. Because obviously you just have better. I mean, you love yourself more. Then I want to sweet stroke and be a charmer. Oh my God, this is why we can't get enough. At time, I took a love back. Now we can come. Hey, this is my diet. This is my size. I mean, I can make an exception. Benefit of the doubt. The benefit of the dizzy. What's the lab? Benefit of the dizzy. $1, 1, 2, 1, 2, what? Actually, the dizzy. And that young house. Wow. Z is the Lisa. As the Lisa. So the article is very one-sided, making us look like alcoholics, whereas as the coping mechanism. And wow, my sisters, I'm with you in this battle, because it's a constant battle. Because I mean, this is why I've retired from them. I can't do it anymore, just for my sanity. I can't anymore.